guys, it's part 2 of fidgets and games. That's why the title is fidgets and games. So we're gonna just like play piano, and we're gonna play Heaven Mode, which is a bit Minecraft or cute. So we're only gonna do one song, which is Happy Birthday. So you're gonna sing like this. So you start with these two notes. Do, do, re, do, like that. So these 4 notes, it's like that. Do, do, re, do. No, it's do, do, re, do, fa, mi. And then do, do, re, do, right? No. So that's how we do it. So I'm gonna record it. Boom. So let's name it Happy Birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Let's listen to it.